मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू साइन एजुकेटर। आज आम पढ़ा सप्तम श्रेणीर इंग्राजी बहिर लेसन 4 बिरसा मुंडा पाठ विषय। यही पाठर प्रत्येक प्रश्नर उत्तर यही वीडियो रे दिया होईची। तुमे माने देखी खातारे लिखिनिय। SGP 1 कॉम्प्रेहेंशन क्वेश्चन बोध परिमापक प्रश्नावली। नंबर 1 व्हाट इज दिस पारा अबाउट। यही पाराटी क्यों विषय रे लिखित। द पारा इज अबाउट बिरसा poor life in his childhood days. It also tells about his birth and birthplace. Number 2 where was बिरसा born when। बिरसा केउठारे जन्म होइथिले केबे। बिरसा was born in 1875 in Bihar, now in Jharkhand. Number 3 who was his father। तांकर पिता किए। सुजना मुंडा was his father। तांक पिता सुजना मुंडा। Number 4 what was his father। तांकर पिता कौन थिले। His father was a laborer। Number 5 where did बिरसा begin his study। बिरसा केउठी तांकर शिक्षा आरंभ करिथिले। बिरसा began his study in a school at Kotanga। Number 6 did he continue his study why। से तांकर अध्ययन चालू रखी पारिथिले कि काहींके। He could not continue his study because of his poverty। Number 7 what work did बिरसा do at a young age। पिलाटी बयसरु बिरसा केउ कार्य करुथिले। बिरसा work as a cowboy of a landlord at a young age। Number 8 did बिरसा like the work। बिरसा कौन से कार्य को पसंद करुथिले कि। No बिरसा did not like the job। Number 9 who was his master। Was he a good man। How do you know this। तांकर मुनिब किए थिले से कौन भद्रलोक तुमे किपरि जानुछ। His master was a landlord of the place। He was not at all a good man। His master removed him from his job for a little mistake। Number 10 why did the master get angry with बिरसा। मुनिब बिरसा उपरे रागी गले काहींके। One day his master saw बिरसा reading a book leaving the cow to graze on paddy fields। Therefore he got angry with him। Number 11 why did बिरसा lose his job। बिरसा काहींकि तांकर चाकरी हराइले। बिरसा lost his job because he did not do his work properly। The landlord saw him reading a book leaving cows to graze on paddy fields। Number 12 who does he in the last line refer to। शेष धाड़ी रे से काहाको सूचाए। In the last line he refers to the landlord। Number 13 which quality of बिरसा do you like most। बिरसांक केउ गुण तुमको सबुठारो बेसी भल लागे। We like Birsa interest for reading books. Do you think Birsa will request the landlord to continue his job? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଭାବୁଛ ବିର୍ସା ତାଙ୍କର ଚାକିରି ଚାଲୁ ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଜମିଦାରକୁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିବେ? No, we think he did not request the landlord to continue his job. SGP 2. Number 1. Which quality of Birsa is described in this passage? ଏହି ଅନୁଚ୍ଛେଦରେ ବିର୍ସାଙ୍କର କେଉଁ ଗୁଣ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣିତ ହୋଇଛି? Birsa was against superstition and the started a movement against superstition to stop them. This quality of Birsa is described in this passage. Number 2. What happened to Birsa while he was cutting woods? କାଠ କାଟୁଥିବା ବେଳେ ବିର୍ସାଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ଘଟିଲା? While Birsa was cutting wood, his left leg was wounded. Number 3. There is a word in the to-and sentence which means doctor. Find the word. ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ବାକ୍ୟରେ ଏକ ଶବ୍ଦ ଅଛି ଯାହାର ଅର୍ଥ ଡାକ୍ତର। ଶବ୍ଦଟିକୁ ଖୋଜି ବାହାର କର। In second sentence, there is a word quack which means a doctor. Number 4. Why did Birsa go to a village quack? ବିର୍ସା କାହିଁକି ଗ୍ରାମର ଏକ ବୈଦ ପାଖକୁ ଯାଇଥିବ? Birsa went to village quack to recover his wound. Number 5. What did the quack advise Birsa? ବୈଦ ବିର୍ସାକୁ କ'ଣ ଉପଦେଶ ଦେଲା? The quack advised Birsa to sacrifice a goat to cure himself of his wound. Number 6. Did Birsa follow his advice? Which line says so? ବିର୍ସା କ'ଣ ତାଙ୍କ ଉପଦେଶ ପାଳନ କଲେ? କେଉଁ ଧାଡ଼ି ଏପରି କହିଛି? Birsa did not follow his advice. The line Birsa did not do this says so. Number 7. Would you obey the quack advice if you were Birsa? ତୁମେ ବିର୍ସା ହୋଇଥିଲେ କ'ଣ ବୈଦର ଉପଦେଶ ମାନିଥାନ୍ତ? If I were Birsa, I would not obey the quack advice. Number 8. Is the tradition of sacrificing animal to gods or goddess good? What did Birsa do to check this blind belief? ଦେବାଦେବୀଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ପଶୁମାନଙ୍କୁ ବଳି ଦେବା ପ୍ରଥା ଭଲ କି? ଏହି ଅନ୍ଧବିଶ୍ୱାସକୁ ପ୍ରତିରୋଧ କରିବାକୁ ବିର୍ସା କ'ଣ କଲେ? No, sacrificing animal before gods or goddess is not good. To check this blind belief, Birsa led a movement against superstition. Number 9. Birsa told people not to follow this type of superstition. Did people like it? How do you know this? ବିର୍ସା ଏ ପ୍ରକାର କୁସଂସ୍କାରକୁ ଅନୁସରଣ ନ କରିବାକୁ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେ। ଲୋକମାନେ ଏହାକୁ ପସନ୍ଦ କଲେ କି? ତୁମେ କିପରି ଜାଣୁଛ? Yes, people like it. Birsa faced against superstition and soon it tuned into a movement. From this we know it. Number 10. The writer say in this para that Birsa fought against 3 things. What are they? ଲେଖକ ଏ ଅନୁଚ୍ଛେଦରେ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ବିର୍ସା 3ଟି ଜିନିଷ ବିରୋଧରେ ସଂଗ୍ରାମ କରିଥିଲେ। ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ? ବିର୍ସା fought against three things. There are superstition, cruel money lenders, policemen and landlords. Number 11. A lot of people become Birsa followers. What quality of Birsa could have attracted them towards him? ବହୁତ ଲୋକ ବିର୍ସାଙ୍କର ଅନୁଗାମୀ ପାଲଟି ଗଲେ। ବିର୍ସାଙ୍କର କେଉଁ ଗୁଣ ସବୁ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆକର୍ଷିତ କରିଥିଲା? A lot of people follow him because Birsa checked the superstition and move against the cruel act of moneylender and landlords. This type of social work attracted people towards him. Number 12. Why did the Birsa government join hands with the moneylender and the landlords? ଇଂରେଜ ସରକାର କାହିଁକି କରଜଦାତା ଏବଂ ଜମିଦାରଙ୍କ ସହିତ ହାତ ମିଳାଇଲେ? Birsa made a movement against the cruel act of money lenders, landlords and the policemen. Number of his followers increased day by day. So, considering him a threat, British government joined hands with them. Number 13. Who fought against the follower of Birsa? ବିର୍ସାଙ୍କର ଅନୁଗାମୀ ମାନଙ୍କ ବିରୋଧରେ କିଏ ସଂଗ୍ରାମ କଲେ? The landlords, the moneylender and the British government fought against the follower of Birsa. Number 14. Where was the British force defeated by Birsa and his followers? ବିର୍ସା ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କ ଅନୁଗାମୀ ମାନଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା କେଉଁଠାରେ ଇଂରେଜ ଶକ୍ତି ପରାସ୍ତ ହୋଇଥିଲା? The British force was seriously defeated at Khunti by Birsa and his followers. Number 1. What is the third para about? ତୃତୀୟ ଅନୁଚ୍ଛେଦ କେଉଁ ସମ୍ବନ୍ଧରେ? The third para is about Birsa battle against the British and how he was captured and sent to jail. Number 2. Why did the British government get angry with Birsa? ଇଂରେଜ ସରକାର ବିର୍ସା ଉପରେ କାହିଁକି ରାଗିଗଲେ? The British got angry with Birsa because he fought against the Britishers and the police failed to arrest him. Number 3. Which battle was very painful for Birsa? କେଉଁ ସଂଗ୍ରାମଟି ବିର୍ସାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣାଦାୟକ ଥିଲା? The battle of Dumari Hill near Ranchi was very painful for Birsa. Number 4. What happened in this battle of Dumari Hill? ଡୁମାରି ପାହାଡ଼ରେ ହୋଇଥିବା ଏହି ଯୁଦ୍ଧରେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା? Hundreds of innocent tribal, including women and children, were killed by British police in the Battle of Dumari Hill. Number 5. Was Birsa arrested in this battle? What did he do? ଏହି ଯୁଦ୍ଧରେ କ'ଣ ବିର୍ସା ଗିରଫ ବା ବନ୍ଦୀ ହେଲେ କି? ସେ କ'ଣ କଲେ? Birsa was not arrested in this battle. He ran away and continued his fight against Britishers for 4 years. Number 6. What did the government declare for Birsa capture? ସରକାର ବିର୍ସାଙ୍କୁ ଧରିବା ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ଘୋଷଣା କରିଥିଲେ? The government declared reward to capture Birsa. Number 7. Who helped the Britishers to arrest Birsa? କିଏ ବିର୍ସାଙ୍କୁ ବନ୍ଦୀ କରିବାରେ ଇଂରେଜମାନଙ୍କୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିଥିଲା? 9 persons of Jarkil village helped the Britishers to arrest Birsa. Number 8. Where and when did the British army arrest Birsa? इंग्रेज सैन्यबाहिनी केउठी केतेबेले बिसांको बंदी करिथिले 9% of Jerkel village captured Bisa while he was sleeping inside a small hut in a forest. They handed him to Ranchi police, then the British army arrested him. Number 9. Who does they in the second sentence in para 4 refer to? In the second sentence, para 4 they refer to the 9% of Jerkel village. Number 10. Where the person of Jerkel village right to help the Britishers to arrest Bisa. ଜେରକେଲ ଗ୍ରାମର ଲୋକମାନେ ବିଶାଙ୍କୁ ଗିରଫ କରିବାରେ ଇଂରେଜମାନଙ୍କୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରି ଠିକ୍ କଲେ କି No, the person of Jerkel village were right to help the Britishers to arrest Birsa. Number 11. Where was Birsa handed over to the police? କେଉଁଠାରେ ବିଶାଙ୍କୁ ପୋଲିସକୁ ହସ୍ତାନ୍ତର କରାଯାଇଥିଲା? Bisa was handed over to the police at Ranchi. Number 12. What happened when he was handed over to the police? ତାଙ୍କୁ ପୋଲିସକୁ ହସ୍ତାନ୍ତର କଲାବେଳେ କ'ଣ ଘଟିଲା? When he was handed over to the police at Ranchi, hundreds of his followers gathered there. Number 13. What did Bisa tell his followers? Bisa ତାଙ୍କ ଅନୁଗାମୀମାନଙ୍କୁ କ'ଣ କହିଲେ? Bisa told his followers not to be disappointed. He advised them to continue their fight till their death. Number 14. Which words of Birsa do you like most? ବିଶାଙ୍କର କେଉଁ କଥା ଶବ୍ଦକୁ ତୁମେ ବେଶୀ ଭଲ ପାଅ? We will continue our fight till we die. We like these words of Birsa most. ଏହିପରି ଅନେକ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ତୁମେମାନେ ସାଇନ୍ ଏଜୁକେଟର ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ଲାଇକ୍ ସେୟାର ଆଣ୍ଡ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିକି ରଖନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ତୁମର ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କୁ ସେୟାର କରନ୍ତୁ। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟସ୍।